At MSU-Northern, innovation starts with an idea.
Students decide the first day what their project's going to be. They kind of vote on what they want to do.
Professor Aaron Riggin heads up Northern's metals manufacturing and design drafting programs, where students don't just study the process, they build it. No instructions, no blueprint.
I have 2 classes that work concurrently in order to make something. And that thing this year just happened to be a wristwatch. The students decided they wanted to make a wristwatch.
Students are in charge of the process from day one. They research, design, prototype, and build every piece, learning by doing every step of the way.
So they had to look up any information to figure out what size the wristwatch needed to be. They had to decide what size they wanted it to be. They had to decide what materials they were thinking they wanted to make it out of. We had to educate ourselves on how to make a wristwatch. They have the skills up to that point to do everything they need to do to make the projects. It's just they don't really realize it until they kind of get into it.
They test ideas, make changes, and solve problems in real time.
Everybody has each other's number in this class, and we're constantly texting. When somebody gets something done, they'll take a picture of it, send it to the rest of the class, and they'll say, good, thumbs up, or can we change this or change that?
These students are working toward a real deadline.
It's pretty amazing that students can start with an idea and actually have, something that's finally made in 15 weeks. We got to be making things while we're designing things and designing things while we're making things in order to reach that final deadline.
And at the end of the semester,
every student will take one home and they'll have something that they can keep for the rest of their lives.
At Northern, innovation isn't just taught, it's built.
Actually, wearing a wristwatch that you made should be a pretty good check mark on your resume, I would say. That's probably the most valuable thing about this program and these classes is that the students gain a lot of confidence in their own abilities because what they're doing is it's pretty kick-ass.